Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome. Do not forget that we ship everywhere, and also we can train you. We can train you and you will understand how to make whitening, lightening creams and soaps as well. All right. So a quick one, as you see my skin so cyan. Yes, you want to look like me. It's very easy. All right. And you want to look like me in affordable way. Is very easy. That is why today I want to make reviews on product that you can use with blend product activators. Okay, then that can activate those cream and they will be safe on your skin. All right. If you don't have money to buy our product, our set, you can buy blend product. Though we said we own the blend product as well, the activator. You can buy only the blend product. To miss any of those lotion, I will call for you. Listen carefully. Do not forget, go to our website. You see product there. Do your shopping. Just look at the website. Go there or you chat us via WhatsApp. You see products for there. So first of all, we'll be looking at Derma Extract. That Derma Extract, you all know that it's a lightening product. Yes, it's a lightening product that you can use for yourself. So people said it lighten it fast. All right. So this is a lightening product. It might be working on you very slow, slow, slow. But one thing is for sure that because it has shown you the evidence that it lightens you, all you just need to do, add this blend from activator. Just add 50 ml and mix it. If you want to add oil, you can add oil. You can add any of the oil, safe oil. Then just add it, then mix it and begin to use. It will lighten you faster than the way you ever think. In 7 days, because of the blend pronite, it will lighten you. And if you now make the blend pronite, double the blend pronite, two blend pronite, before you know it, it will whiten you. Instead of lightening, it will now whiten you because already that product is a lightening product. So adding one blend pronite, it will make it work faster. You see now, and it will give you any knuckle because the blend pronite is still a knuckle remover. So it will remove every spot from your skin. So there's another one I want to show you that if you can't get this extra, you can get X7. Yes, this X7, let me show you. You can see it on the screen. This X7 is another fantastic product that you can use with blend product. All these are products you can just go to our website, you will do your shopping there. All right, if you don't have money to buy our set, you can just buy the blend product for us to mix it with S7. You can see it will work faster. This is another product that, yes, I know vividly that you can use and it will be so safer on your skin. All right, it will work faster because the blend from now has activated. If you buy any product that is not working, don't trade off. Already you spend money to buy it, so don't trade off. All you just need to do, buy this blend product activator from us, and it's serving two purposes. It removes knuckle and also it clears your skin very neat and make you white. All right, so there's another one now, this fair white. You can see it on the screen also. Come on. As a matter of fact, these are products that you can use with blend product as they hot. All you just need to do, add your blend product 50 ml to it and mix it. If you have oil, then you can put your oil also to mix it. All right, before you know it, your skin will be so fast in toning. All right, if you want it to tone fast, just add blend product. These are products and they are safe. Very, very safe. Very, very safe. Trust me, very, very safe. That, well, some people get out their skin hard, rich, you use all this or not, they work. That's why you need a blend product. Trust me. That's why you need a blend product. Then another product again is this half cast. You know, we have different type of half cast lotion. Are you getting it? This Egyptian half cast. We have different type. You can use the black one. You can use, the orange one. You can use we have different type of product of half cast, but just to use this bismuth one. Add the blend product joiner. Add the blend product activator. You can see reviews on our platform. There are reviews that when you watch all these reviews, that it just because a lot of people, they do so selfish. How will I put it? They will do finish. They will tell you, they will give you review. They will not give you review. They will just be so self-centered. That's why I've decided to hold back also. Those kind of people, if they ask me if I get product, I will tell them I don't have, because you don't give me review. What is the essence of why are we friends? Are you getting it? And not only that, why are we even, so I don't even need to give you my product even. But if you assure me that you're giving me a review, why not? You know, buy our blend pro now, activate your lotion, Joe. Don't be crying helter scatter when you have solution around you. You know, blend pro now, it removes knuckles faster than any other, faster than ever. It removes knuckles than any other. Don't let anybody deceive you. Blend pro now remove, it works. Go to our site and go to our platform. You will see a lot of testimonies. That is it, because it works and it works faster. All right, and also it activates your cream. So one stone to kill two birds, one stone. So it is what it is. So you can just use it. You see it. So most times when people complain, I will be wondering, why are you complaining? You saw the product and you buy it. You know that it's not working, and you went to buy it. Well, don't throw it off. Just buy our blend pro now, and it will be safe on you. Then another one is this Snow White. Yeah, this Snow White I just shown to you now. Yes, you can use it. It's very safe for the skin to. All you just need to do, add blend pro now to activate it. You know, it moisturize. All the products I have got, they lighten you fast. You know, because of the blend pro now, they lighten you fast and they moisturize. So your skin comes clean, neat. All right. Then another one is this Lumine. You know, some people call it Lumine, the carrot one. You can see it. That's another product. All these products I just got for you. Use the blend pro activator inside it before you use it. Sure, you cannot buy product of 50 something thousand, 80,000, 900,000, 1 million. You can't buy those products, right? From those vendors, right? Now use your blend pro to activate them. So make sure whatever you are using, it should be safe. For any of the lotion you are using should be safe. If you are using any lotion apart from the ones I call here, fine, but let there be a safe one. Like these ones I call for you, they are safe, very safe. So all you just need to do, use the blend pro to activate them and become white in 7 days. Do not forget to go to our website and place your order. Bye bye.